Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I did that simple braid that I posted yesterday. It only takes a few minutes to do, and yeah, so let's just get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect all of my hair on one side of my head, get an elastic, do a ponytail, and then I'm going to make a hole right here, and you want the hole to be like right in the middle, so like half your hair will be on this side and half on that side. And then I'm going to flip this hair into the hole. So there is the first section. And sometimes even when I'm like running late for work or whatever and I just want a simple style, I'll just wear my hair like that, either at the side of my head or even in the back. So another quick style you could do. And then I'm going to take a clear elastic. You could use a big one, doesn't really matter, but I like the clear ones because it hides the ponytail, the hair elastic, nicely. So I just tie it right here, so a few inches, maybe like 2 inches down, and then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to make a hole, and then I just want to flip it. So here's the second section, and I'm just gonna tighten it so there's 2 sections, and then I'm going to get second one, and then make another hole, and then just flip it in. And then tighten it. So there's 3, and I'll make one last one. Flip it and tighten it. So there you go. So yeah, that's all it takes. It's pretty simple. This took me literally 3 minutes to do. Yeah, so let me know if you try it out and if you like it. Bye.